Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the depth of market feature on MetaTrader 5. Understanding how to navigate and utilize this feature can significantly enhance your trading strategy by providing detailed insight into market liquidity and the flow of supply and demand. So, let's get started. Instead of only looking at the chart and current price movement, depth of market gives you another layer of information by showing where buying and selling interest may be sitting in the market. The first thing you need to do is locate the Market Watch panel. You'll find this on the left side of your MetaTrader 5 interface. The Market Watch panel is a vital tool that displays all the symbols you can trade, along with real-time bid and ask prices. It's a kind of central dashboard for everything market-related in MetaTrader 5. If you're switching between different currency pairs, stocks, indices, or commodities, this panel helps you quickly access the market you want without searching through the entire platform. Now, once you're in Market Watch, the next step involves finding a specific trading pair or symbol you're interested in. Take your time to sweep through the options in the Market Watch window until you find the symbol you want to analyze further. Choosing the correct symbol is important because the depth of market information you open will apply only to that specific instrument. After you've selected your desired symbol, the next thing to do is right-click on it. This action will prompt a context menu to appear. This menu provides a variety of functions and features that pertain to your selected symbol. From here, you can usually access different chart options, order options, symbol specifications, and other useful trading tools. Among the various options available, what we're looking for is something called depth of market. This feature, sometimes abbreviated as DOM or even just depth, you'll see it as one of the options in the drop-down menu. It is designed to give traders a more detailed view of market activity beyond just the visible candle chart. When you click on Depth of Market, what you're essentially doing is opening a detailed window that gives you a deeper look at the volumes of buy and sell orders in the market for that particular symbol. This window displays various price levels and the corresponding volume of limit buy and sell orders at those levels. It's an invaluable tool for assessing market strength and liquidity. In simple terms, it helps you see where there may be stronger buying interest or stronger selling interest before price reaches those areas. Now, let's touch on how you could use this information effectively. Depth of market can help you identify potential support and resistance levels based on where buy and sell order clusters exist. For example, large buy orders at a particular price can indicate strong support at that level, while a concentration of sell orders might suggest potential resistance. If you see a large cluster of buy orders below the current price, that area may be worth watching as a possible bounce zone, while a large cluster of sell orders above the current price may act as a level where price could struggle to move higher. Remember, while depth of market is a powerful feature, it's crucial to use it in conjunction with other tools and indicators, as it's just one piece of the complex puzzle that is trading. It's essential to combine it with technical analysis and other strategic considerations to make informed decisions. For example, you might use depth of market alongside support and resistance, trend lines, candlestick patterns, or your normal trading strategy to confirm whether a potential trade setup makes sense. And there you have it, a simple guide to accessing and interpreting the depth of market feature on MetaTrader 5. Understanding how to use this feature will help you gain more insight into market conditions and aid you in refining your trading approaches. The more you practice reading the order flow inside the depth of market window, the better you'll become at understanding how liquidity can influence short-term price movement. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more tips and tricks on improving your trading experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy trading!